You might not know much about the Swiss Air Force, but in a few seconds, you'll remember their air shows forever. Did you know that a plane and an iPhone is all you need to make action camera manufacturers nervous? Landing gear malfunctions are a pilot's nightmare, and this cargo Boeing captain had to face one head-on. Luckily, his skills prevented any casualties. If drifting had a final boss, it would be the pilot of this helicopter. I don't think a fire of any size could withstand the watery onslaught of this firefighting airplane. Ever seen a business jet land without a wheel on special foam to avoid a fire? Luckily, this pilot's skills were stronger than his bad luck. This helicopter pilot couldn't resist showing off his skills to a passing car. Any lower and he'd be subject to traffic laws. Here's why your flight might be delayed due to bad weather. Fortunately, no one except the airline's insurance company was hurt. Even a toy plane rescue mission can look cool when real aviation gets involved.
I got permission to land out here now? Yeah.
Looks like someone decided to host the coolest air show on the planet. Is it fair to say they nailed it? These plane spotters wanted to see a landing up close and chose the perfect place to do so. But don't worry, no one got hurt. How can a Swiss mountain landscape be even more stunning? Well, add a little jet thrust, of course. Imagine how much precious time this pilot saves by scooping up precious water to fight fires while on the move. It's hard to imagine how much power it takes to lift a 20-ton CV-22B Osprey into the air. Just watch. This pilot doesn't care what his helicopter is capable of. His skills decide what's possible. 1 in 10 people can become a pilot, and only 1 in 100 pilots can reach this guy's skill level. These medics figured out a way to land